Hi guys, welcome to Mbali Talks, where we talk all things side hustles, how to make money online, and just generally how you can gain financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I actually want to share with you free and easy to use apps that are actually going to pay you real money just for watching videos on your phone. Based on my research, some of these apps promise that you can make anything up to $60 per month, which when you convert it into South African rands is actually somewhere between 1.2 and maybe even sometimes all the way to 1.5 a month. And even though 1.5 is not going to make you rich, but it's still a good addition for you to be able to add on to your budget that you actually have, especially if you're somebody who already has a full-time job and or you do not have a job, but you're looking for money that can actually help you to say maybe go out for lunch or buy those toiletries every now and then. Sounds like a good deal? Then please do hit the like button so that this video can do well on YouTube's algorithm. And also, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so that you can join our community. And remember to always keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The first free and easy to use app that will actually pay you real money just for watching videos on your phone is called Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs is a relatively new website that actually works the same as platforms such as Fiverr as well as Upwork, where people go and post different jobs that they want to offer you on in order for you to be able to make money. However, we are not going to focus on this part. One day we're going to talk more about how they offer the different micro jobs. Today, I want us to focus more on this section of their website where they say you earn money on surveys and offers. Apparently, this part of their website is new, which means this offering of being able to make money, whether taking surveys or watching videos, is actually a new feature that they have on Sprout Gigs. So we're going to look more into the kinds of offers and surveys that you can actually look at even on your phone in order for you to be able to make a bit of money on Sprout Gigs. Right now, this is my profile that I obviously had to make so that I could be able to make this video so that we can gain access to the website and understand better how they work. When you scroll down, you're going to see that they have a lot of surveys and offers from the different companies that you can actually expect every time that you're on a website that offers surveys and games. We're going to view all offers so that you guys can see the kind of content that you can actually use in order for you to be able to make money on Sprout Gigs. So as you can see, there's different ways for you to be able to make money on Sprout Gigs. You can either play games or you can take surveys, or you can even do something that is called blue content, which basically says they find the best internet content for your device. All you have to do is enter your mobile number and confirm it. And then the carriers that they actually allow are MTN, Telkom, as well as Cell C. This basically means that you give your number to Sprout Gigs in order for them to be able to sort of find the best ads for the kind of network that you're actually on. It's a small and easy task to do and will actually pay you $0.56. This is actually more than half a dollar, which I think is actually worth it for something that is going to take you literally 10 seconds for you to be able to do. Another way for you to be able to make money on Sprout Gigs is for you to download different apps. I know that I actually have this Make Money app here from a video that I'd actually posted a while ago. Also, you can make anything up to $2 by doing something called a green cloud, where you experience the ultimate internet download speeds and quality. Again, all you have to do is enter your mobile number as well as confirm that your mobile number obviously exists, because they are going to send you an SMS for you to be able to enter your OTP and therefore be able to allow them to create ads for you on that network. And still, you're going to get paid $2.2. Based on my research on Sprout Gigs, I do know that you can stand a chance to make anything from $30 to $140 per month. And that is actually good money, guys, which is why I said that some of these apps are willing to pay you anything between 1.2 all the way to 1.5 and maybe even 2,000 Rand extra into your budget that you can actually use for whatever else that you want. But I just feel like it's an easy way for you to be able to make money online, literally on your phone, taking offers, answering surveys, watching videos, downloading games, etc. The next free and easy to use app that will pay you real money for watching videos on your phone is called Mode Mobile. So in Mode Mobile, you get paid to basically do different things just using your smartphone. They say they turn any smartphone into the earn phone. They're revolutionizing the smartphone industry with the world's first earn phone, which is basically your smartphone that becomes an earn phone when you download the Mode Mobile app. There's different ways for you to be able to make money on Mode Mobile app, but they do promise that you can make anything between 600 to 1,200 Rand USD per year, which basically translates to between 1,000 and 2,000 Rand per month in order for you to be able to just do different tasks on their app. Some of the tasks that you can actually do on a platform like Mode Mobile app is for you to actually listen to music, play games, track your fitness, charge your phone. I know you're actually going to get paid to charge your phone. And I know this because I've actually seen it on the app because I also have it on my phone, but I've not necessarily yet been able to use this feature. All I've done is just focus on actually watching videos. You also get paid for shopping, which means you're going to get discounts every time that you shop and actually scan your invoice and or your receipt onto the app so that obviously they can track the kind of things that people are mostly buying. It's sort of like if you were actually participating in a research panel that wants to know the kind of groceries that you have in your house. But with Mode Mobile, you just have to scan your receipt and then they're going to be able to know the kind of things that you had actually bought. Then you obviously get discounts as well as give vouchers just for that effort. You also get paid for searching the web, reading the news, completing micro tasks, and again watching videos, which is something that I've actually seen, plus many more other ways. When you download the app, you'll be given an option for you to set your daily limit, which is actually dependent on the amount of time that you want to spend on the app. It starts from 15 minutes all the way to 60 minutes. This daily goal actually allows you to be able to get the kinds of offers that are going to enable you to be able to reach your goal. Mode Mobile app works on a point system, which means every task that you're going to do is denoted in points. And even though when I was watching the videos, I realized that it was saying I'm getting maybe 1 point or 3 points. But when I went back to the leaderboard, which is basically the dashboard that I have, I realized that those points, they accumulate by more than just one, which means every time you watch a video and the video offers you 4 points, it's actually about 20 of their actual Mode Mobile points. This makes sure that you're sort of able to quickly reach your target for the day and therefore be able to keep making money on the app. But I just think that it's one of those easy apps for you to actually try out in order for you to be able to make a bit of extra money online. And again, this app will not make you rich, guys, but it will add an extra 1,000, 1.5 and all the way to 2,000 Rand to your budget every month for just playing games and watching videos, downloading, shopping, charging your phone, tracking your fitness, etc. So Mode Mobile is definitely worth checking out. The next free and easy to use app that actually promises to pay you real money for watching videos on your phone is one of my favorite apps for you to be able to make money online. And I like the fact that they've actually increased the types of ways that you can actually use their platform to actually make money online. I did speak about it in a different video where I was talking about websites that you can actually use in order for you to make money just typing, because they now offer a different way for you to be able to make money called Toloka.ai tutors. But today I just want us to focus on the part of their website that actually relates to you making sort of like easy money online by just completing a few micro tasks. Toloka says get paid to make an impact, do micro tasks that support new AI products and research, earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. So about the Toloka platform and what you can expect, the AI that they use every day learns basically from the data that you will need to put in every time that you're using the app. So it's not like there's anything specific that you need to put in. It's the fact that you're actually using their app that allows them to be able to track your activity and therefore be able to teach their AI bots on the kind of things that would need to be improved on either websites and or images or certain videos, which is basically where you come in, because you then get to provide that data as a human. They say engineers use their platform to collect data for training AI, which is basically what I just said. They post simple tasks with instructions and people everywhere in the world can complete the tasks and get paid. People everywhere in the world means this app is available in a lot of countries, guys. If it is not available in your country, I am absolutely so sorry, but it means you need to talk to the government of your country to open up the internet so that you guys can actually start making money online from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is complete tasks and then get paid. Their mission is to work together to power AI and empower humans. The type of tasks that you can actually expect on an app like Toloka for you to be able to make money includes images and videos, which is basically where the watching videos part actually gets to, text, audio, city tasks where sometimes you may be asked to go and take pictures in a certain cafe or take pictures of a certain monument, etc. Then they also offer information as well as surveys, which is basically where Toloka started, because initially when they started, they just used to be a survey only app, but they then expanded to the different other offers that you can actually use in order for you to be able to make money online. Some of the work that you'd actually do for Toloka on your phone with regards to images and videos is to moderate images and videos, which means you make sure the visual content is appropriate. Like for example, you see here how this lady's glass has been blurred out. this is you, what you'd have to do on the image in order for you to then resubmit the image in a way that makes it visually appropriate. Other tasks include collecting images and videos, where you take videos as well as photos of specific settings, actions, and places. You also get to get paid for outlining images and videos, where you mark specific objects in an image with bounding boxes. For example, like these bounding boxes that have been placed on the traffic lights. You may find that the instruction for that particular picture is for you to spot the traffic lights along a long street, just like they did in this video. It's small tasks, and it's actually tasks that you can do in the comfort of your time, because obviously you are already somebody who's either in a town or actually going to work, and you're probably buying coffee, and if it's a coffee picture, then those are the types of images that you'd actually be working with, as well as videos. Toloka also gives you very good reasons for you to actually be able to sign up on their platform. These include the fact that you're going to find simple tasks, which means you don't need to have any special skills or education, so you don't need a qualification and or experience in order for you to be able to participate in the micro tasks that are available on Toloka. Not only that, it's convenient, which means you complete as many tasks as you want from basically anywhere in the world. Also, you get to experience fast payments because you choose your preferred withdrawal method, and you get your earnings quickly and easily. And also the fact that it's a mobile app, which means it's user-friendly for both Android as well as iOS in order for you to be able to complete the micro tasks. All you have to do to start working on Toloka and taking micro tasks and getting paid to watch things such as videos is for you to just download their app using these download tabs that you're actually going to find. I have put a lot of links in the description box for all the sites that we're actually talking about in this video, so don't worry about that. You can always go into the description box and find a link in order for you to be able to join Toloka. But based on my research, I do know that you can make anything up to $100 a month on Toloka, which basically translates to about 1.7 in this side of the continent, which again is good money if you're somebody who's looking for passive income online, just as a way for you to add on the budget that you already have, say maybe from your salary, and or even if you're somebody who's unemployed sitting at home looking for a way to make an extra buck so that you can say maybe buy toiletries, go out for lunch, etc. Toloka is one of those platforms that I'd advise for you to actually check out. The next free and easy to use app that will actually pay you real money for watching videos actually promises that you can make anything up to 700 USD a month. And I know that that is actually a high amount, especially for people that are on this side of the continent. However, it will require you to put in a bit of work. You don't have to do like I do, which is just basically watching videos, because obviously when you watch videos only on the app, you're going to get paid very little money. But they have other ways for you to be able to make money online, just as downloading videos and actually playing them, reaching certain levels in order for you to make money. And even if you don't reach the level that they want you to reach, while you're actually playing the game, they do pay you money. And this is my own evidence as well as experience that I've had. This app is actually called Paid Work, and it's one of the apps that I actually use on a daily basis, just between having coffee and or when I'm sitting waiting for my food to be delivered, in order for me to be able to make money online. And the truth is, the only way for you to actually make substantial amount of money online is again for you to actually put in the work. You cannot expect to just watch videos only on some of these websites and then expect that you're going to turn into a millionaire. It's not going to happen. Unfortunately, that's not how money works. However, if you put in some time, say maybe you dedicate an hour of your time in a day on different platforms, you do have a chance to say maybe be able to make that extra 1,000, 1.5 or 2,000 rand a month. So Paid Work is a make money online app that you can actually have on your phone, computer and or tablet, and you get paid whenever without any investment. Again, it's available on iOS as well as Google. I did mention Paid Work in a different video recently, but I just thought when we're talking about free and easy to use apps that will actually pay you real money online, then Paid Work is one of the websites that I highly recommend, because I can see that it's actually an app that is legit and that is willing to pay you money. I do know that they do have a payout threshold, especially in South Africa, of 300 rand. But again, if you're willing to download the games as well as take the offers as well as do the surveys, besides just watching the videos, you are more likely to quickly reach that threshold and again make yourself that kind of money on a monthly basis. And even though again it won't make you a lot of money, but it's still an app that will actually pay you the money for the effort that you've actually put in. But I just think it's one of those apps that you can look out for and or check out and have on your phone to be able to click and watch videos even in your spare time. You don't even have to be concentrating on the video. You just need to click watch videos in order for you to be able to start making money on Paid Work. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of this video. I do hope that you found new and interesting apps that you guys can actually check out that are free and easy to use, and that will actually pay you real money online for just watching videos. I wish you guys all the best, and I'm going to see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.